Don't forget to like the video and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos go live. To ask a question, leave a comment. I try to respond to everyone. Receive feedback on your designs by joining my private community at artfully.click group. And you can learn the design principles fast with this course, artfully.click course, with a free preview of the course at artfully.click trial. All courses can be seen at artfully.click courses, and you can have one design principle emailed to you each week for free at artfully.click email. If you want to discuss your goals and receive a free personalised learning plan, go to artfully.click meet and find free resources and join online events at artfully.com.